Hey, I'm Stephen Yunta here in West Brookfield, Massachusetts with a recap to the Johan Powell video we did a little while ago. This is from Johan Models, as it were. It's the first Johan release since the 1977 Cadillac Coupe de Ville, which was the first from fresh tool. Now, they did some re-releases of old XL kits and stuff, and Oki Spaulding corrected me on that, but the reality is 1977, 8, 9 were the 3 years at the final years for the Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Great model. We'll get to that in a minute, but in the meantime, this is kind of Johan's most recent offering. Now, it's a resin cast model of the Powell, which is a vehicle made in California, Southern California, 1955, 6, 7, something like that. They say 500 of these things were built roughly. And they were kind of the first kit car. These were, you meant to go get a 41 Plymouth and then put the parts together. And this is something that is required if you want to build the Johan Powell. This is the 41 Plymouth by AMT. This thing arrived in the early I'd say mid-70s, somewhere around there. I remember as a kid thinking, why would they make a model of a 41 Plymouth? Why not a Ford or a Chevy or something popular? But the reality is they did it, hats off. A brave move, as is this on the part of Oki Spaulding and Johan Reborn, because this is a brave thing. Now, nobody's ever done a model of a Powell before. So you can find these things. You can get these for about $20 at the swap meet and model car shows and whatnot. And it's a decent little model. And what you do is you take this kit right here, and it's kind of weird because the body on this thing here, you don't use the body, but the frame is what you want. But the beauty is the wheelbase, the span between the rocker panels and the wheel openings is about the same. So this kit, kind of history repeats itself. It's just right for making a Powell, whether it's in 1/25th scale or 1/1 scale in the real world. So here's the frame for the kit. The kit has a lot of pieces and parts. They're pretty well rendered. And in yellow, that's the thing. This is supposed to be the AMT Round 2 Coca-Cola livery. And they paid dearly for the Coca-Cola graphics. But here's the frame. This is the thing right here, which would underpin the Powell. And you'd have to trim it and slice it and dice it. But again, with resin cast models, the idea is that you know what you're doing as a model builder. So slicing and dicing this frame wouldn't be a big deal. The right engine is included in this thing. We have 215 cubic inch inline flathead 6 right here. Pretty well done. And kind of strangely, AMT in the early 70s, mid-70s, when they did this kit, they included a small block Mopar engine. Kind of weird. Now, if you know your AMT models, the kit cars, the Richard Petty 43 Plymouth, or the Dodge Dart and the Dodge Sport, they had a small block Mopar engine, 355 in that model. But the 4-speed transmission here is the same piece in those kit cars by AMT. So AMT was definitely reusing the tooling. Why reinvent the wheel, right? So it's kind of cool, this little thing right here. It's Coca-Cola bottles right here to load the back if you want to go for the Coca-Cola theme. There it is. But I would just buy these kits and use them strictly for the underpinnings for the Powell resin vehicle. And Oki did include me in. There's some actual 3D printed parts in this kit that I ignored the first time around. There's headlights here, little clear headlights. And, things are there. And, of course, the balsa wood and the templates to make the bed inside. That's up to you, the model builder, to slice these things out, as is the plastic for the windshield and the side windows right there. So, again, like most resin kits, it's kind of a do-it-yourself. And if you're building a resin kit, slicing these things wouldn't be a big deal, wouldn't challenge your skills. So the good thing is, Oki says that they're doing another run of 20 or 25 of these things, the resin cast pieces. And I would say that when they're available, they'd probably be about, maybe $120. Not even sure. Don't know the prices on these things, but they're affordable. If you want to build a Powell, this is the only way to get it done. So that's the story of how AMT and Johan combine to make replica of the wonderful Powell in 1/25th scale. Get one, build it for yourself.